Welcome to my channel. It's my first video on YouTube, so hope you love my channel. And this video, so I'll make my Switch collection on 2018. I don't know, I'll make the second part, but yeah. You can check the description box too. And yeah, so let's get started to the video. Super slow. Well, you can look how ugly is this. It's ugly, but yeah. It's little bit dense. I can't make this video. I don't know what this fish called, but it's ugly. It's namanya. Oh my god, it's very, very still and soft. You can see. Actually, I just wish like this because I really like this squishy. And it's very long. So here's the tag. The acrylic tag and fortune, I think. Sticker too. Laminate. I can switch this squishy because I'm not allowed for my mom. Have two of this chewy cat, so it's the rainbow one and the pink one, the regular one. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and you can comment down below. You can give me some requests too, and it's the important one, you can subscribe me and turn on the notification. Follow my Instagram. See you on my next video. Bye! So let's go to the bonus. So it's this fish squishy. It's homemade. It's a squid squishy. It's a mini stars. I don't know this fish. This star. There's a Nautilus, coral, and I don't know what this squishy called, but it's homemade. Yeah, it's just a bonus. Well, actually, it's just a diorama. So yeah, bye. Whoa, wait, we don't want this one.